Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to dispose your fixed asset in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account. After that, you can go to your left side menu, go to your all apps here, and go to the accounting section, and you will see the fixed assets option. Click on it. After that, you will be in this page and you will see all of your assets. So in my case, I have one asset here, truck. So I'm gonna dispose this truck. I'm gonna go to right side and then click view here. And then there is option to dispose. Click on it. And then you can choose the dispose date, maybe today. And I'm gonna choose the dispose price and also the fee if there is fee, and then you can just click show summary, and this is the summary, and then click dispose, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.